All right, welcome back. Finally, Yoruba groups to comb southwest forest. All right, the news in details. Some people here empowering criminal herders. Gani Adams, they will meet their doom in our region, Amotekun, Agbekoya. All right, and then onto this one, there are also plans by the different groups to comb the vast forest of the region in a bid to flush out criminal elements posing as lawful herders. Several security and socio-political groups in the southwest have declared their readiness to repel any attack launched on any part of the region by foreign herders. According to statement chairman of Southwest Security Network Operation Amotekun in Oyo State, General Ajibola Togun, retired, had on Thursday alleged that an invasion of the 6 southwest states by foreign herdsmen from Mali, Niger Republic, Chad, and Burkina Faso was imminent. He also disclosed that these non-Nigerians are already hiding in forest reserves in the zone, saying the invasion by the herders would soon happen and that it would definitely begin from Yoruba land. In separate interviews yesterday, leaders of the Southwest Security Network Operation Amotekun, Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land Ìbà Gani Adams and Agbekoya, among others, warned the foreign bandits disguising as herders to stay clear of the 6 states of the Southwest, warning of dire consequences if such plots were actualized. The groups threatened to deal decisively with Fulani herdsmen or any hoodlums that might want to perpetrate any form of trouble in the region. Chairman Forum of Amotekun Commanders in the Southwest, Mr. Adeleye Adetunji, said his men are battle-ready to fight any form of crime in any of the 6 states of the region. He called for proactive efforts of all Yoruba people to fight the menace of insecurity to a standstill in the region. Adetunji, who expressed the determination of the corps to bring an end to insecurity, especially killing, kidnapping, and banditry in the region, maintained that efforts are on top gear to involve local vigilantes in the activities of Amotekun. He added that the conventional security agencies were being carried along in the fight against insecurity in the region, stressing that the fight against crime is a collective one which should not be left in the hands of only the security agents. Also speaking, the field commander of Operation Amotekun in Osun State, Chief Amitolu Shitu, warned herders from any part of the world against coming to the southwest region, warning that such efforts would be foiled. He said the forest in the southwest would be combed to identify illegal herders, especially those from neighboring countries. Shitu also cautioned those working for herders to stay clear, and he has warned them that they should stay clear within the region to the 6th, also from such acts before they are identified and made to face the music. He said vehicular movement from one place to another is guaranteed by the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Government, Federal Republic of Nigeria. Nevertheless, that privilege should not be taken as a way to foment crimes in other regions. Our borders are too porous, and that is responsible for easy movement of the herders from one neighboring country to another, especially Chad and Niger. The fact, however, remains that the Southwest will not tolerate such illegal migration, and then anyone caught will be taught serious lessons. Are Ona Kakanfo of Yoruba land, Otumba Iba Gani Adams, said the Ojua People's Congress (OPC), which he aids, has been raising similar alarms, has severally warned that the forest in the region had been infiltrated by criminal herders, regretting that such warnings fell on deaf ears. He said Fulani herders were indeed plotting an invasion, but warned that the perpetrators would meet their Waterloo. He also asserted that certain Yoruba leaders were giving support to the activities of criminal herders by empowering them spiritually and then traditionally. He said the OPC members are always battle ready and willing to fight in the defense of Yoruba land. They have indeed surrounded us. We are shocked that when the X-Men want to establish themselves in any community and the community rejects them, you see Nigerian army backing them up and enforcing them on the community. Then the community can't access their lands. In a community like Owo, have we have nothing less than 10,000 S-men in the forest. There are allegations of unknown helicopter coming to drop food for them. I said it about 2 years ago, but people didn't believe me that there are many dangerous S-men in Igbo Hora, Okeogun, and then other parts of Oyo State. They were there until they were chased out by OPC and others. They have almost overrun the Middle Belt and now in the southwest. The southeast has taken its destiny into its own hands. We have to put our house in order when we are alerting our people. They don't do anything. They don't call for advice. Even there are some grassroots people conniving with these criminals. We have some Yoruba people empowering the elders spiritually. They give them our spiritual powers. They also help them to gather information about rich Yoruba people. We also have some members of the political class that give them support. The Hubbers have a big role to play in this. Some of the Hubbers take it with levity, and then when the crisis come, they will call the police and agents of the government. We are in trouble and we have to work. Neighboring countries have always encouraged crisis and banditry in Nigeria, but they will not find it easy if they come to the southwest. We have had enough political crisis and no crisis should brew in the southwest again. He added, Fulani invasion, traditionally, we are prepared for them, Agbekoya. All right, and the foremost farmers and hunters union in Southwest Agbekoya Farmers Society accused the federal government of tacitly supporting criminal herders in the region. The group warned, however, that it would not allow the invasion of any part of Yoruba land by foreign herders. National Secretary of the Union Adigbenro Ogunlana said it is the federal government that is encouraging and pampering them. That is why it seems difficult to check their movement. Agbekoya has what it uses to fight and then we are already preparing. We are not relenting. It is not until we start carrying guns that we are fighting. We have what can tame them, but we cannot be revealing everything in the public. The Agbekoya scribe disclosed that apart from preparing for the invaders, members of Agbekoya would stage a protest on June 12 to express their feelings. Insecurity in the land is seriously affecting us. People cannot go to the farm and there is poverty. But we are very much prepared for the Fulani invaders. Traditionally, we have prepared for them. It is only Agbekoya that do fight wars without using guns or cutlasses. That is why it takes us time before we respond or declare war on our enemies. Already, our members are stationed across the forest. In Southwest, we are getting reports on daily basis, and there are some other steps already taken as well, which I cannot reveal. But we are battle ready, he said. All right, my people. Well, this is another one. Well, I think it is a good thing to act, not to talk, because majority of people have been like, you people have just been talking, yet mayhem is being perpetrated in your land. Well, you people should come out and do the needful. Well, according to what has been gathered, it has been said that invasion plot by foreign headers onto these Yoruba groups to comb southwest forest. That's another serious one. Well, my people, a lot of things are actually being said, but our prayer has been that the good Lord should assist us, to help us to be able to tackle this issue once and for all. All right, and it has been said that get to work, guys. Let's talk more actions. Let's talk less. Okay, let's talk more actions. Okay, let us action do the talking. Okay, I think that's what this person is trying to say. Say we should not talk too much. Let the action do the talking. Just talk, no action. Well, my people, that has been it on this one. All right, meanwhile, let me have your take on this one, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.